Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making pigs in a blanket. This is a request from my son. Today is his birthday, and he requested pigs in a blanket, white cheddar popcorn, and strawberry cake for breakfast. So since we are in quarantine, we're going to make do the best way we can. Okay, so I'm going to make little pigs in a blanket. And you'll need, this is actually, together this will make 8 croissant roll pre-made store-bought dough. I had these 2 little mini things, but you'll need a full can of that. You'll also need your little cocktail smokies. And 1 egg. I'm going to go ahead and mix that and make an egg wash. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to unroll your dough, and you see it's already sort of separated. So each triangle piece I'm going to cut into 3 if I can. Let's see. Go ahead and separate that. You could also use a little bit of flour to dust your work surface, but I have parchment paper down, so it makes it a lot easier to work with. And you want to make sure you work with cold dough. If you have it sitting out too long and you work with it, it could get really, really sticky, so be mindful. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go 1. I'm sure I messed that up, but you know. Okay, so here's your 3 pieces out of 1, and you just take your little smoky and you roll it around just like that. And there is your little pig in a blanket. So I'm going to continue doing these. And I'm going to place these on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Okay, so I have 24 of my pigs in a blanket. So now I'm going to do an egg wash over each one of them. And basically it's just 1 beaten egg with a brush, and you just tap the top part. You could actually put some sesame seeds on these. I've actually seen somewhere on social media somebody put the everything bagel topping from Trader Joe's. I thought that was a neat idea, but I'm just going for an egg wash, and that's it. I might do a little bit of dried parsley once they're baked, but that's about it. Okay, so I have my pigs in a blanket ready for the oven. I have been preheating my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and they are going to bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until they are cooked through and golden brown. Trying not to make a disaster of this cake. So my pigs in a blanket are done, and they look so perfect. My son is gonna love these. He actually requested pigs in a blanket, popcorn, and strawberry cake for his birthday, and that's exactly what we're making him today.